How to change Amazon account password. So if you want to change your Amazon account password, then first of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection and then open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and on the search bar, search for amazon.com, and now it will take you to this page. So now to reset your password or to change your password, so you have to first click on this sign in button, and now here it will take you to the sign in page, and you have to enter your email or your mobile number through which you have created your Amazon account. So now after entering your mail, click on continue, and then you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password or if you want to change your password, then you have to click on forgot your password, which is on the upper side of this password blank, and now it will assist you for your password. So you have to enter the email address or the mobile number associated with your Amazon account. So enter your email and then click on continue, and now it will ask you for OTP which Amazon has sent to your mail. So open up your mail, and here you will have that code. Enter that OTP here and then click on continue, and from here you can create a new password. You have to enter a new password. The password must be at least 6 characters. So enter a strong password, and then on the bottom blank you have to re-enter your password. And if you want any tips like to have a secure password, then you can read this one. Enter your password and then click on save changes and sign in. And that's it guys, that's how you change your password in Amazon. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.